Good evening, everyone. So we are going to do our mukbang for tonight. So I have, of course, our rice, fried rice lang siya. And we have, alam niyo na, sausawan. And we have this, what do you call this, talbos, kamatis, natatakam na ako mga shots. And talong, okra, and we have here isda. So we're going to eat our lunch for tonight. Ako lang yung mag-isang kakain mga shots dahil nga yung aking anak ayaw naman kumain ng gulay, and also my jowa is not here. So I'm going to eat alone without them. Sorry babe, I'm eating here by myself. And let's enjoy. Nandito pala yung anak ko, ayaw niya lang kumain ng gulay. So we will eat with my hands, of course. Dapat nagkakamay tayo dahil masarap kumain pag nakakamay.
Maghugas ka? Huwag mo daw sa maghugas.
Mom, do you want some vegetables? Come on? No? He doesn't like, tawag nito, kamoting talbos. Nakikita niyo ba yung aking pagkain mga chef? Kasaban. Masyado akong maliit. Pero yun yung pagkain ko mga shots. Kasarap naman ang aking pagkain. So good. Parang gusto ko na ganitong pagkain araw-araw. Tamang-tama yung weather, medyo makulimlim. Pero gabi na mga shots. Tinikol, can you pass me the tinikol napkin? Tissue. And tissue. Napkin. Right there. Stop. So good.
Sarap.
Yeah, it's so good. Ayan mga shots, magvo-voice over na lang ako sa part na to dahil hindi ko kinaya yung aking kinain. Hindi ko siya natapos. So sobrang busog ko. Anyway, thank you for watching!